Hey guys, it's Jose and I'm back for another reaction video. You know what we're here for because you see the title and I'm not ready and I don't even know why. What? Oh! Woo! Get it together. Get it together. So you see the title. We're doing this. Airplane Part 2 MV teaser. Now this is the Japanese version, but still. I'm not ready, but I'm here. I'm actually watching this on Twitter, or gonna watch it on Twitter because that's where I see the teaser. And of course y'all are tagging me in it, and it's like, please, please, please. I was gonna do it anyway if there was gonna be a teaser. I knew the MV was gonna come out. It's gonna come out actually November 6th or 7th, 9th. Which one is it? Y'all can let me know in the comment section below. I knew the MV was gonna come out then, but I didn't know if there was gonna be a teaser, and if there was gonna be one, I was like, you know what? Of course I'm gonna react to it, and it's here. I don't know where I was working, and you guys are like, it's here, it's here. So okay, let me get into this. Airplane Part 2 MV teaser, Japanese version. Let's go. Before we get into the reaction, guys, click that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Come join our family. We're so close to 200,000 subscribers. Help us reach that goal. And so click it if you haven't. Thank you, thank you. Also, I do have a Patreon page. If you're able to support, click the link in the description box below. I'm stuttering already. Click the link in the description box below and see if you're able to help out. Your support helps me create more videos for you guys. Thank you so much. Here we go. Okay, all right. Well, because you all know the choreo for Airplane Part 2 is a lot. So, but I don't even know if we're getting in this preview. So we should just go ahead and... Oh my god, my eyes, my eyes. Why are they hurting already? This is a sign. Okay, press play. I see you.
BTS の楽曲
Tay with glasses.
今日その日本語版となる新曲ミュージックビデオが公開されました。
Ooh. Listen, listen, listen. Okay, it's the background that got me, not the person in the front. All right, so listen. It's beautiful. Okay, alrighty. Press play.
曲は韓国でも発表されていますが、ミュージックビデオ
Today with the ooh, Mexico City, they decor. Hold on. Yes, I'm a pauser. I've gotten comments like, oh, I don't like when you pause. Okay, well, you can leave. This is my reaction. All right, now that you're here, the people that appreciate the way people react, the way that I react, and it's like I can't help it. Is this the same set as Idol, but they just painted it and put some plants? Possibly. But Tay's wearing a hat. Okay, and then, well, see, Yoongi, this is the thing with Yoongi. This is the thing. I don't know what's the thing. There's no thing. There's no thing. There's not a specific thing that I can point out. It's all of him. All right. Well, that's where we're stopping that sentence. And then... All right. Ooh. Oh, it's raining? Wait, no. Wait, okay, hold on. That, the water. Oh my God, they're wet. They're wet. W-E-T, wet. Están mojados. Look at Jin. He is the closest to my age. Oh my God. Okay, well, listen up. Listen up. There better not be a close-up of Jungkook. Y'all better not have any close-ups of him while he's wet. That's what we're not gonna do, okay? I'm just letting y'all know. That's but ooh, but and then here we go. El mariachi. Bye. I told y'all, and y'all never listen. I didn't get the email. I did not get the fax. I did not get the text message. I didn't get any type of memo. See what we're not gonna do? Jesus, why are you?
新曲は来月7日発売です。以上、スポタメでした。
We have we're gonna get an MV where BTS is like all wet and purposely looking at us in a type of way that's like uncalled for, and close-ups of Cookie, which is my man, when I specifically said I don't want any close. All right, well, like it's get it wet. Why did I just say that? You know what? All right, well, this is where we're gonna end this, and I don't know. Where was I going with this? Bye. Later. Adios. I never asked what, but see, we should watch this again. Let's watch it again.
BTS の楽曲 Airplane Part 2
Without any pause, you know, so I can appreciate the full package. Oh. Why did you? Yeah. You know when you. Okay. What is it? What is dangling? Is that the right word, dangling? I'm sorry. What's hanging on Tay's glasses? This is where we're. This is where you're go. Like y'all actually went there. Like it's purpose. It's on purpose. This, like, it's premeditated. Do you know it? Guards right here. It's premeditated. That's the accurate word to use right now. Premeditated. They were like, we're okay with it. We're gonna make it rain on y'all, and y'all know this is a set. It's not like it's outside. It's not raining outside. They populate what? They pre-summarized, did all of it, it was all okay? Like they thought of this first, and they were like, yeah, we're going through with it, we're gonna dance wet. Do you understand this? Like I don't feel like you're getting that in your head. Like this is what I mean by like this is big, like this is huge. It's like it's that powerful that like the message is coming across. Like we're doing this on purpose. Do you know what I'm saying? We're doing this on purpose. We're giving you looks in the camera, close-ups, and we know this is a dance where we give you all of that, and we're gonna do it while we're wet. Do you know what I'm saying? All right. Well, we're leaving it there. See y'all until I don't know when. Goodbye. Later. Nice to knowing you. Adios.